Come on a bike ride with us.
This is Dewey,
Hi.
G, Mare, Johnny,
Yeah.
Littles. 35 kilometers. Let's go.
All right. Well, we're out in the big fields of the Dolomites and on a nice little bike, and we're going 35 kilometers today. It's gonna be real pretty. We're headed up to a waterfall. Look at us go through these pretty fields. Oh, nice barn. Look at the barn. Oh, the bikers. That's us, by the way. Well, we were backing away, and we're almost there. We're almost there. And
It's so pretty.
whoa, chalet. Whoa, there's the waterfall.
You're crazy. Wow, that's a nice pose. Wow.
More waterfall. More waterfall. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we stop for some lovely gelato. Look at this gelato. Might be the best gelato you've ever had.
This is the best gelato I've ever tasted. We finished.